Let me show you how you can actually install these tiny nano SIM cards into any Nokia phones that actually uses these big cards basically. Maybe you got an older Nokia and want to insert this one and don't have this adapter. So there's actually a way to insert it without an adapter. So it's kind of ghetto setup, but it works obviously. So first what you have to do is you have to look very closely. There should be a drawing as to how to actually insert your SIM card here, and you need to check basically on which side this tiny cutout really needs to be, and you need to insert it in the same way. Then what you have to do, inspect these contacts here for the SIM card and see how they're positioned and how positioned they are relative to all sides. Then you also can see it has got these contacts on this side, and the way you simply insert it, obviously, just so it's possible really. Obviously this is not mean to be done like that, but it works obviously. So make sure it's positioned like just as precise as you could, and make sure it's like aligned properly in every direction, and then simply insert your battery and try it out, and it should work. It should work like 100% of the times. So if for some reason it doesn't work you at the first time, simply take out the battery again and try again. So try 2 or 3 times if you're not successful the first time. So let's see if it works. It takes some time to like appear, and as you see it found the signal, and the SIM card obviously works perfectly fine. So this is how I do it on any Nokia dumb phone. If it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.